Hello, I'm Steve Stafford. Thank you for joining me for this installment of All Business is Personal, which will focus on business contracts, licenses, and permits. Regardless of the size or type of your business, the importance of clearly written contracts can't be overstated. A good business contract not only outlines the terms of a business relationship, but it can also reduce the likelihood of a misunderstanding, and it can save you valuable time and money if a dispute arises. In my practice, I see a wide range of contracts, but the purpose of this video isn't to list the types of contracts or to give a primer on contract law. Instead, I want to spotlight a few issues that can cause problems for busy entrepreneurs and real estate investors, such as the following. 1, are there any handshake agreements that should be in writing? Although it may be intentional due to a high trust relationship, oral contracts are risky and will be more difficult to enforce. 2, are all contracts executed on behalf of the company? Business owners sometimes inadvertently open the door to personal liability by signing contracts in their personal name. 3, does the company utilize a do-it-yourself approach? Are there any self-prepared contracts that should be reviewed by an attorney? Entrepreneurs and real estate investors often prefer simplicity and efficiency, but the less is more approach can lead to unexpected results if important contract provisions are omitted. For example, it's not uncommon to see LLCs that either A, don't have an operating agreement among the members, or B, have a very abbreviated form of an operating agreement. But what they don't realize is that by not having a comprehensive operating agreement, they are choosing the default positions set forth in the LLC statutes. In my experience, once they learn that they are unknowingly choosing the default positions, most entrepreneurs and real estate investors prefer to discuss which provisions are best for their LLC and have an operating agreement that is tailored to their particular situation. 4, do any existing agreements need to be proactively extended, assigned, or terminated in writing? 5, do the company's agreements contain an attorney's fees provision? By including an attorney's fees provision in contracts with third parties, the company can help alleviate its collection costs if it needs to enforce a contract, or its defense costs if it is ever sued. Let's move on to business licenses and permits. California does not require or issue a statewide business operating license. Although the only statewide license is the seller's permit, and the only statewide registration is the Statement of Information filed with the Secretary of State, this doesn't mean that you don't need to have a business license to operate your business in California. Depending on its size, type, and location, a business may be required to obtain and renew business licenses or other special licenses or permits at the state, county, or city level. Now, fortunately, California provides the CalGold website, which enables you to search by city or county and business type to see which permits are required and which regulatory agencies administer them. In conclusion, if you are an entrepreneur or real estate investor, you should make sure that your contracts, licenses, and permits are all in order so you can continue to grow, protect, and maximize the value of your business. Thanks for watching. I hope you join me for our next installment, which will focus on intellectual property, trade secrets, website, and social media considerations. Finally, as a reminder, this video is for educational and information purposes only and should not be taken as legal or tax advice.